Where can I find egg identification charts? If you are curious about identifying bird eggs, you might be wondering where to find reliable egg identification charts. These charts are fantastic tools for bird watchers and researchers alike. They help you recognize different bird species through their eggs, which can vary greatly in size, color, and texture. Let's look at some excellent places to find these resources. First, check out museum and university websites. Many natural history museums and academic institutions have online databases filled with high-quality images and detailed descriptions of bird eggs. These resources often include measurements, clutch sizes, and nesting habits. They are a great starting point for anyone interested in bird egg identification. Next, consider bird conservation organizations. Groups dedicated to bird conservation frequently publish illustrated guides that help the public identify eggs without disturbing nests. These guides often emphasize ethical practices, such as avoiding handling eggs or nests. This is important for protecting the birds and their habitats. Another great option is specialized birding websites. Many platforms dedicated to birdwatching offer downloadable charts that compare egg sizes, shapes, and colors. Some even include side-by-side photos of eggs from common species like robins, blackbirds, and blue tits. These visual aids can make identification much easier. Don't forget about printed field guides and books. These remain a reliable resource, often containing sections dedicated to egg identification. They usually feature precise illustrations and habitat information, which can be very helpful for both beginners and seasoned bird watchers. When using egg identification charts, pay attention to key features. Size is important. Charts often compare egg lengths to everyday objects. For example, a dime might representing small eggs like those of hummingbirds, while a quarter could representing robin eggs. Color and markings are also essential. Descriptions note base colors such as white, blue, or green, and patterns like speckles or blotches. For instance, blackbird eggs are typically blue-green with brown speckles, while collared dove eggs are plain white or cream. Shape and texture are additional characteristics to consider. Eggs can vary from spherical, like those of wrens, to oval, like wood pigeon eggs. Textures can range from smooth, as seen in song thrush eggs, to pebbly, like those of nuthatches. Using these charts can lead to ethical observation practices. You can identify eggs in their natural setting without touching nests, which is vital for the well-being of the birds. Researchers and citizen scientists often use these charts to monitor breeding success and species distribution. Lastly, these charts can be excellent educational tools. They help teachers explain avian biodiversity and nesting behaviors to students. By using egg identification charts, you can appreciate the subtle differences in bird eggs while ensuring that nests remain undisturbed. So, if you are on the hunt for egg identification charts, remember to explore museum and university websites, bird conservation organizations, specialized birding websites, and printed field guides. Each of these resources can help you become more familiar with the fascinating world of bird eggs.